Hi! Do you get tired of typical braised tofu dish? Then you can try this. If you wrap tofu in the mushroom, it goes very well. These are all the ingredients you need. First, chop spring onions and roughly mince hot pepper with knife. They are all for seasoning. Put them in the bowl and add 1 spoon of minced garlic and 1 spoon of soy sauce, 1 spoon of red chili powder, half spoon of red pepper paste, 1 spoon of honey, 1 spoon of sesame oil, lastly, about a pinch of pepper. Then, mix it. I will add 4 or 5 pepperoncino for spicier taste. Mix it well, then the seasoning for enoki mushroom is done. Put some cooking oil on the pan over medium heat and grill enoki mushroom. Turn it over and add some seasonings we made. Spread the seasoning on the mushroom. Add some water, like 2 tablespoons of water. Now all you need is just boiling down. Now let's make pan-fried tofu. Grill the tofu that were coated in flour and egg. Actually, I'm using tofu for stew because it's soft. Place pan-fried tofu on the plate, then put seasoned mushroom on that. Sprinkle some sesame for the last step for kind of garnish. Tofu and mushroom dish is done. Tofu and spiced mushroom go well together.